Getting home a puppy is a huge thing, not only for you but for the puppy as well. So why not make this process as smooth as possible by doing these few things? Hey everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Soumya and today's video is going to be about arrangements that we need to do in our house before getting a puppy home. Let's begin. So the first and foremost thing that you need to do is puppy proof your house. Now what is puppy proofing? It is basically arranging your house in such a way such that all the important items or dangerous items which can harm your puppy are not within puppy's reach. So basically आपको अपना घर इस तरह से arrange करना है so that वो सारी चीज़ें जो either आपके puppy को harm कर सकती हैं और the items जो कि आपका puppy damage कर सकता है, वो सारी चीज़ों को आप अपनी puppy की reach से बिल्कुल बाहर रखिए. Now the example of things which can harm your puppy would be electrical items, then medicines, and then edible items which you think are safe but are actually lethal for dogs. For example, chocolates. And the example of things which your puppy can damage would be your important papers, your cash, your wallet, your furniture, in fact, your carpets, your rugs, because puppies have the habit of biting everything. If you did not know that already, here is the video in which I'm talking about this and few very important things that you must know before getting a dog. Easiest way to do this is to puppy proof one particular section of your house and limit your dog to that particular area with his toys and snacks and stuff, and allow him in the entire house only when you are watching him. The next thing that you need to do is find a good vet in your area. Do your research and find a vet before getting your puppy home, because believe me, once you bring your puppy home, you will not get time to do any of these things. And one of the first few things that you will have to do once you get your puppy home is to take him to a vet. So find a vet now. The next thing that you need to do is buying all puppy essentials. Be better prepared by buying all these important things beforehand. Now if you want a complete list of all the items that you need to buy for your puppy, here is the video in which I'm talking about same. I will also link these videos in the description box. You can go and check these out after this video. The next and final thing that you need to do is preparing a puppy schedule. Now, please understand that puppy will not follow the schedule from the very beginning itself, obviously, but having a schedule will at least help you to start with his training. You do not need to make a very detailed schedule, but just the high level points like when would you like to give him his meals, how would you like to spread it across the day, when would you like to wake him up, when would you like to take him to a walk, when would you like to train him. All these things, just high level bullet points for your understanding and just to set the pace to begin his training. I hope all these things will help you in training your puppy right. So this is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. When would you like to take him to a walk? What you need to do is preparing a schedule beforehand. Now, I'll link these videos in the description box and you can go check it out. I hope all these things will help you in better upbringing of your puppy maybe. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up.